So I cut this tree down here. This birch fell this way. So I got to finish cutting this one up. And then right where it fell is another big dead birch. So I got to drop that and cut it. So you film me and see if we get any voices. What I wanted to show you guys on this, and I've showed it to you before in other videos, but I do find this really interesting. So what you just saw is a 45-second segment. When I walk up to that tree and I start sawing is right here. And when Robin starts to ask about her birthday question is over here, okay? So look at this. The chainsaw is running this entire time that I'm highlighting in this white area, okay? Yet the artificial intelligence removes everything here, it removes everything here, and it left 3 messages in there, which I showed you, okay? So as soon as I start cutting into the saw right here, it says, how long then on that pass? Okay, and then you get nothing, and then you get, I'm marking it. Now, what they're marking, I don't know as I'm cutting, but obviously marking something. And then right here they said, like, wow, that's nice. Wow, that's nice. So again, I'm not cutting anything out, and that's the thing that I find most intriguing here is the saw is running. This is just randomly and Chris is spurting some words in there. Why does it leave such big sections where there's no words at all that are decipherable? We're talking like 20 seconds of nothing, and then all of a sudden you get a little phrase, you know, I'm marking it. To me, that's the weirdest thing. And so, like I said, as soon as Robin starts talking, it picks up again. Now, whether they're going to answer her questions, I haven't got that far to see, but I find this super interesting that there's long sections of silence.
I'm on vacation this week. And she's down.
That was the bottom branch. This top one is solid. The bottom one, look how you can't even push. Like that was mushy, and look how solid that one is.
Getting bitten by mosquitoes.
So moving along as I'm sawing up that log, I showed you the message where he said that's going to leave a mark, but I wanted to show you the visual representation of that so you can see. Again, it says that's going to leave a mark right there. I'll play it. That's going to leave a mark. Then you get this huge section of silence, which is 5 or 6 seconds. Okay. Then, as I'm sawing along, something is said. Now, I can hear the words. I'm going to put them on the screen. They make no sense to me. Mentions a name. So, if you know somebody by this name that's recently crossed over, maybe they're just saying hi to you. I don't know, because I don't know anyone by this name. But again, after they say what they say, there's a big section of silence for another like 5 or 6 seconds. So, clearly, some kind of message here. He comes through, he says, hi, folks. I'll put it on the screen so you guys can hear it.
So we got a new puppy. Had him for a couple of months now. Can you tell me his name?
Up here, come on. Good boy. Good boy. Hey, say hello. You getting bored, eh, when Dad's making videos? So, this is one of the most astounding answers, proofs, whatever you want to call it. She asks a direct question. Can you tell me his name? Okay, talking about the dog. I'm going to show you this. She stopped speaking. Can you tell me his name? And they specifically say your answer is, and they give the answer. It's amazing. She asks a direct question, gets a direct answer.
Can you tell me his name? Can you tell me his name? Can you tell me his name? He just had his little operation 2 days ago. How is he feeling? I would love to be able to know how he's feeling.
So check this out. They answer her immediately again. She says, I'd love to be able to know how he's feeling. I'm going to play this for you. Okay?
I would love to be able to know how he's feeling.
It's very clear to me. I knew what it said right away. I love you both. So is that what the dog's feeling? That he loves both Robin and I? Because he's back home? One more time. All the farmers wear flip-flops. Okay, I'll do it. Good job.